Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. A cool start to the holiday weekend and a chilly night on the way. We're looking at frost advisories for areas to the north of Detroit. So if you're anywhere from M59 up to the Tri-Cities, the Thumb area, you're included in that frost advisory. Areas like Lapeer County, St. Clair, and Sanilac. Elsewhere, though, temperatures will be up a little bit more. We won't be as cold as what we saw this morning. But more sunshine for tomorrow and our temperatures slowly warming. We're looking at our futurecast. Rain stays to the south and west of us. Another bright day tomorrow. That rain comes a little bit closer on Monday. We're going to keep a close eye on that shower chance. Right now, we're going to keep things dry, just add more cloud cover on Memorial Day. For tonight, temperatures down to 42 degrees, and that's in the city. You're going to see anywhere from the upper 30s to low 40s for overnight lows. Upper 60s, 68 degrees tomorrow. Looks like a great day for the Tigers game at 1 o'clock on Sunday, and then Monday, Memorial Day, temperatures nearing that 70-degree mark. We'll be into the mid-70s on Tuesday, increasing our chance for a shower or storm as the heat humidity start to build toward midweek. We'll stay in the 80s through Friday, and a chance for a shower next Saturday. We'll keep a close eye on that for next weekend. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great night.